This Diwali from home. No shopping, no wax. Just with some simple things available at our home. Zero budget, beautiful water candles. As you've seen, I have many beautiful shaped glasses. You can also collect any type of glass from your home for these beautiful candles. All we need is color stones, water, glitters, oil, food color, and a deodorant. Now let's take a glass and fill it up with these color stones. If you have artificial flowers, you can give it a go. It is up to you how beautifully you decorate your water candles. Now let's add 80% of water to this glass. 80% of water. You need to fill the glass with 80% of water. Now let's add some food color to it. I've taken red color. You can use any color up to your liking. It gives a beautiful look to the glass. And now let's take some glitters to give the candles a shiny look. And as we all love fragrance, we can use essential oils or deodorants. Here, I've used a deodorant which gives a soothing feeling. Next, our main star today, oil. You can use cooking oil or any type of oil which you wish for and fill the glass with 10% of oil. Now let's take a square transparent sheet according to the size of the glass top. Fold it like this into a square shape and cut it in the between. It should be a small hole so that the cotton can fit in, and also cut the edges so that it can come into a shape of circle and fit into the glass. It should be somewhat like this to fit into the glass. Now let's fit this cotton into the transparent sheet. Like this. And just take a little bit of oil and rub it at the edge of the cotton so it would be easy to light it up. And done, our beautiful water candles with zero budget. Hope you and your family have a safe and bright Diwali. Happy Diwali. Stay safe. Stay home.